Good day, everybody. Today we'll be considering the topic binary operations. Consider a binary operation as a function that has two inputs, then one output. Two input, then one output. Now I have a set of questions to solve here. Look at question number 1. Say a binary operation delta is defined on the set R of real numbers by P delta Q is equal to P plus Q square minus 3PQ. Evaluate -1 delta -2. Or you can state it as P operation Q is equal to P plus Q square minus 3PQ. So evaluate -1 operation -2. Now if you compare this, evaluate -1 delta or operation -2. If you compare this with this, you see P here is holding -1. These are holders, they are placeholders. P is holding -1, Q is holding -2. Now what this means is wherever you see P here, you plug in -1, and wherever you see Q in this output, you plug in -2. So it becomes -1, P is -1, Q is -2. So plus -2 squared minus 3 open bracket, P is -1, multiply by Q, and Q is -2. So this becomes -1 plus -2 squares 4, because -2 multiplied by -2, minus cancels out minus, it becomes 4. So 4 minus 3 open bracket -1 times -2 is 2. So that becomes -1 plus 4 minus 3 times 2 is 6. -1 plus 4 is 3. 3 minus 6 is -3. So option A is our answer here. Now for question number 2, the binary operation star is defined on the set of integers by integers a and b by a operation b is equal to ab plus a plus b. Find 3 operation bracket 2 operation 3. Now the first thing we do here is we first evaluate what's in bracket. We evaluate this first. So this becomes a operation b is equal to ab plus a plus b. Let's evaluate 2 operation 3 first. That's what's in bracket, the operation in bracket. A here is holding 2, b is holding 3. So anywhere we see a and b here, whenever we see a we plug in 2, whenever we see b we plug in 3. So this becomes 2 bracket 3 plus 2 plus 3. That becomes 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 plus 3 is 5. That's 11. Now we replace this with 11. So this becomes 3 operation 11. We've replaced this with 11 because we've got 11 here, is equal to, now a here is holding 3, b here is holding 11. So anywhere we see a here we plug in 3, anywhere we see b we plug in 11. So this becomes 3 multiplied by 11 plus 3 plus 11. So this 33 plus 3 plus 11 is 14. So this becomes 47. 33 plus 14 is 47. So option C is our answer here. Question number 3. A binary operation star is defined on the set R of real numbers by a star b, or a operation b is equal to a square plus 2b plus ab. Find the value of x for which 3 operation x is equal to 54. So this becomes a operation b is equal to a square plus 2b plus ab. So 3 operation x, let's find the value of x for which this is equal to 54. Now what we do is a is holding b here, sorry, 3, not B. A is holding 3, B is holding X. So anywhere we see A here, we'll plug in 3. Anywhere we see B, we'll plug in X. Then we equate it to 54. So this becomes A. This becomes 3 operation X is equal to 3 squared. That's for A here. A is holding 3 here. Plus 2 open bracket. B is holding X here. So X plus A is 3, B is X, 3X, then equate it to 54. So this becomes 3 squared is 9, plus 2 times X is 2X, plus 3 times X, of course 3X, is equal to 54. So this becomes 9. This becomes 9 plus 2x plus 3x is 5x is equal to 54. Collection of like terms. 5x is equal to 54 minus 9. 5x is equal to 54 minus 9, that's 45. So x is 45 divided by 5. Our x is equal to 9. S is equal to 9. That's option A. Now to question number 4. The binary operation star is defined by A operation B is equal to A raised to power B. If A operation 2 is equal to 2 minus A, find the possible values of A. A operation B, we are given is equal to A raised to the power of B. Now if A operation 2 is equal to 2 minus A, now what this means is A is holding A, B is holding 2. They are placeholders, so wherever we see A, we plug in A, wherever we see B, we plug in 2. So and we equate it to 2 minus A, then we solve it accordingly. So this becomes A operation 2 equals, we plug in A here because A is holding A, then B is holding 2. So here we plug in 2, then we equate it to 2 minus A. That's A squared is equal to 2 minus A. Let's call it like terms. We have A squared plus A minus 2 is equal to 0. That's when we move everything to the left hand side. Now this gives us a quadratic expression. Now when we factorize this, we have this minus 2A. When we multiply the coefficient of A squared and minus 2 here, or when we multiply A squared and minus 2, that's minus 2A squared. Now the factors of minus 2A squared, that's two numbers which when we multiply gives us minus 2A squared, and when we sum it up gives us A, that's plus 2A and minus A. So we remove this and we replace it with this, so it becomes A squared plus 2A minus A minus 2 is equal to 0. When we factorize this, let's group it first. When we group this, A is common here. A into A squared is A, plus A into 2A is 2, minus 1 is common here. Minus 1 into minus A is A, minus times minus is plus, 1 into 2 is 2, equal to 0. So A minus 1 is equal to 0, A plus 2 is equal to 0. So the values of A are A is equal to 1 and A is equal to minus 2. And for the last question here, a binary operation star is defined on the set of real numbers by A operation B is equal to root AB. If A operation 4 operation 16 is equal to 4, find A. This is a very simple question. A operation B is root AB. Then the first thing we do is to solve what's in brackets first. Let's get the value of this. So 4 operation 16. What we do is A is holding 4, B is holding 16. So anywhere we see A here, we plug in 4. Anywhere we see 16, anywhere we see B, we plug in 16. So this becomes root 4 times 16. That's root 64. And square root of 64 is 8. 8. Now we'll come back here. We replace this with 8. So it becomes A operation 8 is equal to A is holding A here, B is holding 8. So we plug this into this expression, then equate it to 4. So it becomes root 8A is equal to 4. That's root 8a is equal to 4. Now when we square both sides, squaring both sides, we have root 8a squared is equal to 4 squared. Now this square cancels out this root. We are left with 8a is equal to 4 squared. 8a is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 divided by 8. A is equal to 2. This is very simple. Option B is our answer here. Now I'll leave you with this activity. I want you to practice it. You know, that's the only way you can become perfect. So practice this activity. Let me minimize the screen. This is a question, and okay, let me complete this. It's defined by A operation B is equal to A plus B over 3 if 2 operation Y is equal to 1 number 1 over 4. Find the value of Y. Look at it here. So you can just take screenshot of this, then practice and possibly comment your answer, or anyone you do not understand, you can comment on this, you can type it on the comment section, then I'll look for a way to explain it to you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification icon so that you can get notified each time I drop a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and have a lovely day.